Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do another read for you, Taurus. Taurus, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's see, Taurus, how you're doing, how your person is doing, and what action now we can expect in your connection. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Taurus, let's begin. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Taurus, yes, of course, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Okay, all right. So newbies, I'm setting down 2 sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your person. And in the center, I'll have your mutual energies, your action cards, dialogue message cards, etc. So for the duration of the reading, though, Taurus, I will be calling this side person A, this side person B. You'll know which side you resonate best with, right? Okay, all right. And bottom of my deck, the overall energy is the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Let me take the 2 action cards as well, for you and one for you. Let me just take a look at this. Okay, and person A is feeling like, person A feels there's a chapter shutting down in their lives. They feel there's some kind of a chapter which is shutting down, and they're not sure whether or not a new beginning will take place or not take place, or whether an offer will be given or taken. They do want to start something new, but they're not sure of how or what or when. Whereas person B is concerned, they are looking pretty good. They have a big cup of love, which they're experiencing maybe, or they feel they're coming into some kind of soulmate connection or something. Very diverse energies. Let me see. Let's take some dialogue message cards, Taurus. Let's start with this. See if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Then we'll clarify the cards. Taurus and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Taurus and their person. Taurus and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. All right, good to go. Let's start your reading, Taurus. The first card here says, I had put you on a pedestal and I made myself small. I cried all night wondering why you weren't sleeping next to me. I realized that you did not make me feel bad about myself. I did that. I think somebody is going into self-love here. I want you to trust me. Trust that I will know the right time to take things to another level. I thought the grass was going to be greener on the other side, but it wasn't. Yeah, somebody's made some foolish decisions here in the past, and maybe they've lost their partner. I mean, not lost, but yes, maybe their partner never felt safe or grounded in this connection. I have a need to always be right. Sorry, I gave you a hard time. Left off on bad terms, with so many things left unsaid. I keep looking up at the stars, hoping you're looking at them at the same time I do. So Taurus, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's begin your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card to see how my angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Triumphant. Somebody is winning here. Yes, I do see somebody who's now discovered themselves. I think they're going into self-love, or at least following their own passions, trying to find their soulmate. Maybe the past one hasn't worked out. but somebody is moving towards victory here. Okay, let's put this here. Start with the energy of person A. So Spirit, the World card. Why is the World card here for person A? The World card for person A. Yes, one connection is ending. There is no more reconciliation, no more going back to this connection. This could have already happened, Taurus, or it's about to happen. This is how person A is feeling, that one chapter is ending now, and there is no going back to this now. There is too many bad memories which have been created in a connection. Page of Cups in reverse. Yes, I think somebody was trying to be a dictator here. Maybe person A did that, and they always made their person feel it's my way or the highway, or somebody's always being a dictator, never really offered them love, never even said sorry half the time, or never said sorry, I don't know. And they're angry. They're still angry with their person for saying, hey, is it over, kind of a thing. They're quite stressed out. Heart of hearts, I think person A is quite stressed out about this ending. They don't like it. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person A to be feeling this way? They feel they've made some unwise decisions, or maybe they feel their person is making some unwise decisions. They feel their person is now no longer on the same page as them. The Hermit in reverse. What happened, Spirit? Hermit in reverse. Yeah, somebody was emotionally manipulative in this connection, always held back, never put in the work when it should have been put. Maybe, gossiping or talking to other people about this connection, or just being immature and never kind of leveling up, never fighting for this connection. Some very poor choices, I think, were made in this relationship. And that's the reason this new beginning has now come to a no new beginning. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, I think this Queen of Pentacles has decided that I don't want to grow with you anymore. I don't want to be with you anymore. And when this realization came to person A that there is no going forward now, this could have been a huge Tower moment for person A. They didn't expect this. They didn't expect this at all. This person was probably very money-minded, or busy with their work or finances, or hiding behind material things, or a miser or something. They were so not involved in their own life that they never paid attention to the needs of their partner. And their partner may have kind of decided that, hey, enough is enough. So how does person A now see this connection? The High Priestess. Right now you guys may not be even talking to each other. Maybe nobody is even fighting for the connection. They feel that their person may have already dropped this connection. That's why they're not talking to them anymore. Yes, there is a lot of stagnant energy here. Somebody is really not happy that somebody has made a choice to reject them. Yes, they're feeling rejected, and they're also now feeling bad that they didn't put in investment when the time was right into this connection. They're not happy that things have not grown in this connection. They're feeling rejected. They're feeling the person has made up their mind, left all this conflict, and is planning to move away from them to find happiness in their own life. Yes, this person is feeling very embarrassed, very ashamed, and feeling let down. They don't feel that victorious anymore. Like earlier, maybe they pretended it's, I'm the boss and, things will happen my way. Now this person has been kind of knocked down from their pedestal. It doesn't make them feel good at all. So what action this person is going to take, person A, I don't know. We'll open later. We're going to go to the other side first, Taurus. See how person B is doing, and then we'll open the action cards. So Spirit, person B has the Ace of Cups and the Six of Cups. What's that? That's it. Sideways. Ace of Cups. What's this? Ace of Cups. Yes, person A is planning now. they are looking forward to the future. They're thinking of what they want to now grow, what they want to build, who they want to connect with, who they want to build with. They feel I have the world in my hands now, and I am now into self-love and move towards things which make me happy. Six of Cups. Yes, this person is almost like in their childlike innocent state, once again excited like a child that I'll now start focusing, or they are already doing it, single, abundant, beautiful, taking care of myself, excited about my new life. This person has learnt self-love, it seems, and no wonder they're being triumphant, right? Or they will be feeling if this is coming up. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? Page of Swords in reverse. Yes, they felt I was dealing with a very immature energy, somebody who was always kind of keeping tabs on me or spying on me and made me feel less than. I think in the recent past, person B transformed their life. They may have put an end to an old chapter and maybe transformed their life. This person has become very strong now. They picked up their sword. And they are now being very discerning as to who they allow back in their energy and even going forward. What's this death card, Spirit? What's this death card? Yes, they've put an end to anyone who is going to emotionally drain them, or any person who's going to be a trickster in their life or hurt them or bother them. So good for you, person B. Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords. Yes, they've put they do not want to grow anymore. They don't want any new beginning. They don't want to be in a connection which was imbalanced. Person B in the recent past has made up their mind. They're absolutely clear that I will not be breadcrumbed. I will not be in a connection which is not fair, where there are lies, where there is no equal give and take. So how does person B now see this connection? Person B views this connection as a failed commitment. 10 of Pentacles in reverse. They feel this cannot go the long haul, or this is ended, or this doesn't have stability in it. Why is that? 10 of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, I think person B is tired now. They've been drained out of all their love and emotions in this connection. I think person B is telling me, I see this connection as a failed, unrequited love situation. I'm so tired. I just want to rest now. I don't want to fight any more battles here with this past person. I'm so excited. I'm looking out to the future now. I want to see what else is out there in my life. And I think what person B is heading straight towards is the Two of Cups. What's this Two of Cups, Spirit? Oops. Yes, I think once they release, once they totally end the past connection, which was unjust, which was not fair, I think the minute they will be completely released of this past connection, they are hoping that they will find their soulmate, they will find their perfect partner. That's how person B is feeling. So tell us more about the Two of Cups, Spirit. Who's this Two of Cups for person B? Somebody who's going to choose them, or somebody who they are going to choose, or may have already chosen. Lovers in reverse is a choice made. So this choice has been made. Who's my real soulmate? Okay, so person A, will you make any move towards person B now? Yes, they want to communicate big time. 8 of Wands. What's this, Spirit, as action? Okay. Yes, person A wants to communicate with person B that no, I'm your soulmate. I'm the one who's your perfect partner. They want to have this very clear, precise conversation with person B that, don't leave. You belong to me. One more card, Spirit. Yeah, but this is still maybe a lie. This could be a lie. I don't know. But they're just trying to keep this person from moving ahead. Let's see. Person B, will you make any move towards person A? The sun in reverse. Why is that an action? No, person B is telling me I don't feel happy here. I don't feel the sun shining. I don't feel bright and happy. I'd rather move on to a fresh new beginning. I want to take that leap of faith and move forward and not go back where the sun never shone in the past. And why go back to one more? Yes, somebody wants a total rebirth of their life. Person B wants a total rebirth of their life. So, Spirit, can they get back together? Is it a new beginning between the two of you? Or does person B want to move on to somebody new? What's this new beginning? Okay, let me ask a question in a different way. Will A and B, Spirit, get back together, or do they want to? Do both parties want to get back towards each other? Do both people want to get back with each other? No, right now I think one person feels stuck in this connection and the other one just wants to get out of regret and sorrow and doesn't want to look back at the past with hurt. So I'm still confused here. No, Spirit is saying no, this has lost its charm now. The Ten of Cups is in reverse. This is always, somebody wants to come out of feeling always this lack of regret and sorrow and feeling abandoned. So give me one more card, Spirit, for person B, since they want to be moving to a fresh beginning. Where are they going? Where are they going? They're going towards their wishes, to make their hopes, their wishes come true. Beautiful. All right, congratulations, person B, you're going to be triumphant. And person A, you are saying things to keep them held back, from what I feel. You are just not happy that they are not, person B is no longer interested in you, so you're saying things which you probably may not even mean. So that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.